Are you ready to do some spring cleaning? Well, let's do this. Let's gather some things together and get started. Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today I am kicking off my Spring Clean With Me series. For the month of March, we are starting in our foyer or our entryway. Each week we will have a specific room that we are working on, and I have opened this up as a collab to anyone that wants to participate. Rules were very simple. You just do a clean with me, and share a few tips along the way. That may be some products that you use or something that you do to make your house squeaky clean, spick and span. Keep it simple, but those tips may help someone. So that's my entry to my home. As you can see, you notice one thing already. That picture has been up since Christmas. Not intentionally though, but I forgot to take it down. So that will be coming down, and I do not have anything to place there as of yet. What I'm planning on doing is taking the window panel down. I did a video on this a couple of years ago, a dramatic window treatment, and I did that. I'm going to take this down. I'm not going to put it up at this time because we have something else going on in the home in about a month. But I'm cleaning this to have to re-clean it again. So yeah, I'm going to clean that window and the ledge, and then clean my floors here. Take that picture down. I'm going to keep it simple, and I'll see how far I get. Now right here I do have a bassinet that is going out of my home. I'm giving that to my niece. She's having a baby, so that will be going in a couple of days actually. And you see I have some goodies down there. I'm going to place them around the home shortly for spring decorating, as well as take down those Christmas pictures as well. I need to go get some developed. But that's what I'm working with today. I'm starting off simple. This is probably going to be the easiest spring cleaning out of all the series. Everything else will be kind of difficult. Now, the day that I'm filming this is Sunday. A lot is going on in my house, and you may hear some things. Hubby and one of my sons are in the kitchen installing another microwave, and I'll tell you all about that later. I have music practice going on, so you may hear that too. But we're gonna go on anyway. It's real life, so we're just gonna jump right in. So now I'm sweeping this area since I knocked quite a bit of dust down. As well as hitting my baseboard here as I'm sweeping. And I'm looking and it's not really that bad. I'm really shocked. Not as bad as I thought. Now, since this table here is right by my doors, I consider this my entry table. And I'm gonna remove these items and just clean it, and I'll decorate it later. And I do have some goodies down below there. Some ginger jars and a vase that I'm gonna put somewhere else. These will come back, they'll be different for the spring, okay? I still have Christmas pictures in these. Now, I love mirrored furniture, but it takes some cleaning. I use the simple glass and surface cleaner from the Dollar Tree. Been using this for years. I have quite a few pieces of mirrored furniture. So right now I'm going to take my Pro Mist Max by Old Cedar and clean my floors. The microfiber cloth does a lot of the work, so all you need is some hot water and a couple of drops of your favorite cleaning solution, and you can have squeaky clean floors, all right? So no fancy solutions, just some hot water and vinegar with that microfiber cloth and Mop by Old Cedar. Gets my floors very shiny, and I'm not using any of those chemicals. And here is my entryway, all clean. Smells so good. And here's my console table, ready to be decorated. So I'm loving it. My entryway. So, do you keep things simple in your entryway or foyer? Tell me down in the description box down below. And I'm going to throw another question out there. Have you started your spring cleaning? It's fastly approaching us, right? Let me know, all right? I hope you've enjoyed what you see here today. And please don't forget to take a look at the playlist. It will be linked down in my description box down below of some very talented creators that are participating in this Clean With Me collab. You will gain so many tips and tricks to use in your own home. So if you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring that bell so you'll be notified of all the videos that I upload. Don't forget to follow me on my social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. And I also have an Amazon store. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. To all of my faithful and returning Diva family members, I love you guys so much. And I'm so thankful each and every day. And I thank God for you. Thank you so much for watching. You take care. You be blessed. And I will see you on the next video. Have a blessed day, y'all. Talk to you real soon.